Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable app tracking transparency on iPhone, privacy settings step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Find and open the Settings app. Scroll down a little until you see Privacy and Security. Tap Privacy and Security to open the privacy options. Inside this menu, look for Tracking. Tap Tracking to enter the app tracking transparency settings. At the top, find the option called Allow Apps to Request to Track. If this switch is off, tap it once to turn it on. When the switch turns green, apps can ask your permission to track you. Now go back one screen to return to Privacy and Security. Scroll through the list to understand other privacy areas if you want. Go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down and open any app you want to manage, such as Instagram or a game. Check if the app has a tracking option in its settings page. If you see tracking, tap it to view the current permission. If the app shows a toggle for allow tracking, set it to the option you prefer. If you want to change tracking permissions for multiple apps, return to Settings. Open Privacy and Security again. Tap Tracking again to see the list of apps that requested tracking access. Review the app list carefully and decide which apps you trust. Turn off tracking for an app by switching its toggle off. Turn on tracking for an app only if you truly need personalized ads or cross-app features. If you do not see any apps listed, it may mean no app has asked yet. Open an app and wait for the tracking permission pop-up to appear. When the pop-up appears, tap Ask App Not to Track to block tracking. Or tap Allow if you want to permit tracking for that specific app. If you changed your mind later, come back to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking to adjust anytime. Keep your iPhone updated in Settings, General, Software Update to ensure privacy features work correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.